Hello friends, this is Rajiv Sharma. Today we are going to talk about two types of liquid gold. One, alcohol, and second, petrol and diesel. Tomorrow we will talk about the real gold, the yellow metal. But let's focus about today's video editorial. What does it talk about? Well, it gives you an explainer how alcohol and petroleum products are very important, crucial for the states, particularly in these coronavirus times, particularly due to the fact that their prime source of revenue, I'm talking about the states, there are 28 states and 8 union territories. So now during the lockdown, this 54-day nationwide lockdown in force since 25th of March, the prime source of revenue for the states, that is the GST, that has completely dried up. Now, to give you the sense of and the importance of petroleum products and alcohol sale for the states as revenue earners, let me give you some statistics. On an average, GST constitutes 43.5% of a state revenue, whereas the petroleum products, petrol, diesel and others, by way of sale tax and value-added tax, it gives 23.2% revenue for the states. For alcohol, the figure is 12.5%. Well, today, for example, if we are talking about alcohol, we know that ever since in the past few days, when relaxations were brought in from, in last few days in terms of lockdown, and liquor sales were permitted. We know that because of unprecedented crowds, kilometers long crowds, the social distancing norms were thrown to winds, and soon enough the liquor shops, they had to shut down. Either they ran out of stock or they faced a law and order problem, or both. So today, interestingly, Supreme Court has given a suggestion, to states to consider selling liquor online and ensuring online delivery to the customers so that the social distancing norms are respected and the states do not lose out on the revenue as well. Now, I just wonder that it has taken the Supreme Court to give this pearl of wisdom. Why the states and why the center could not hit upon this idea? This is not rocket science. First of all, as I have been consistently saying, that alcohol should not have been put within the ambit of lockdown. It does not run into any kind of conflict with lockdown requirements. And from day one or the week one, the center should have allowed online sales of liquor. But when the e-commerce companies, when the courier services are also covered within the ambit of lockdown, obviously the online delivery was not possible. So now let's not cry over the spilt milk. Let's talk about, we were talking about the Supreme Court suggestion. Well, Chhattisgarh has already come up with an app, and they have already started selling alcohol online and home delivery as far as alcohol is concerned. Punjab has also started from today. Delhi government is also very keen to start it any day now. And I'm sure that all states will follow suit. Now, for example, why alcohol is important for the state's economy? As I explained, that GST is right up. So, what the states are doing? They are milking the cash cows, namely alcohol and petroleum products. Alcohol, for example, the top 5 states in terms of revenue. Well, we are talking about the last year's figures, and this year there will be a substantial jump in those figures because of coronavirus induced lockdown and the huge sales after that. UP, for example, it earned 31,517 crore from alcohol. Karnataka 20,950 crore. Maharashtra 17,477 crore. West Bengal 11,873 crore. Telangana 10,901 crore, which works out roughly to rupees 1,000 crore to almost 3,000 crore per month to the states, which is crucial. And now that many states have raised have slapped more taxes on the sale of alcohol, So, like Delhi, for example, Andhra, for example, Delhi has raised excise duty by 70%. Andhra Pradesh has gone even beyond 75% excise duty raised. So, in this fiscal year, the revenue from alcohol to these states will have a quantum jump. UP, for example, may look at even earning 4,000 crore a month from alcohol sales. And mind you, these figures are only on alcohol sales. They do not include the licenses given to alcohol shops, the fines and the confiscation of alcoholic properties and all, etc. Now, look at other form of liquid gold, that is petrol and diesel, other petroleum products. Now, the thing is, center has raised the excise duty, central excise duty, 2 rupees per litre on petrol and 1 rupee per litre on diesel, which will give an additional revenue of 43,000 crore to the center. So, in these coronavirus state-jacketing times, this revenue is important. Now, have you ever wondered that the price of the international crude prices, if you look at the figures, say 9-week figures from 1st of March to the first week of May, on 1st of March, the international crude price per barrel was $51, and the price of petrol in Delhi was 71 rupees and 71 paisa per litre. In the first week of May, the international crude prices came down to $23 per barrel, and the petrol prices in Delhi at this time 71 rupees 26 paisa. So what I'm saying here is that the as they say, consumer is the king, but consumer has not been on past the benefits of falling crude prices. But having said that, we must admit that these are the tough times. So I close my video editorial here, friends, and I hope you will like it, comment over it, and you will subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.